When it comes to fresh produce, we've all experienced that after we trim away what many of us feel are the non-edible parts, we find ourselves left with just a small percentage of what we paid for. Well, all of that changed after I got to see firsthand the winning results from a contest that challenged America to come up with a recipe that uses every part of our favorite produce pick, the watermelon. Let me show you. Here, Mary Shivers took first place in the rind category with her lemon-laced watermelon candy. It's to die for. And the creativity didn't stop there. When it came to using the juice from the watermelon, Mariel Rock created an Indian-inspired watermelon chutney that would be perfect for snacking on while watching a football game or for holiday entertaining. Shauna Havey took things up a notch by replacing a wedge of iceberg lettuce with juicy watermelon and lacing it with a homemade farm-to-table dressing that wowed the judges. But Shannon Cohn earned the title of Grand Prize winner by combining pickled watermelon rind with goat cheese and fresh basil and spreading it on toasted French bread. To get the recipe for the pickled watermelon rind bruschetta bites, along with all of the winning recipes, simply visit our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a 100% edible and year-round tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.